is probably Krishna Iyer. She showed me the most effective speech I have ever heard. She has made the entire crowd to join her, appreciating the students. And Vandana, Dr. Vandana Gupta, she has shown how the collective efforts of people can save rivers. The children can learn from this, and Mr. Raja has demonstrated that day one's failure never deterred them from
to stand before you after years gap. Of course, we met a year back in the same auditorium when our Honorable Governor inaugurated the school. The time has passed so quickly, and now we have come to the end of the year. Today is the annual day. This place was a barren land about 25 years back.
Year of water cooperation, and today more than 500 students from the pupil will portray the story of the Indian rivers, the blue arteries of our nation, through an endearing display of art, music, drama and drama. On this momentous occasion, I welcome Dr. N.M. Veerayan, the founder chancellor of Savitha University, the visionary and the inspiration behind our school, the pupil. Now I would like to request Anu to give a bouquet to the founder chancellor. Inspiration has the power to transform, illuminate, educate and motivate. We have four wonderful guests with us today who are a true inspiration to our society and also to our young minds. Mr. M.S.V. Raja is an accomplished musician with expertise in saxophone, clarinet, piano and the oboe. He is the only person in India who can play the oboe. He has worked in more than 400 films, and we are very fortunate to have you here with us today. I extend a warm welcome to you, sir. I extend my warm welcome to Mrs. Krishna Iyer, who is a talented singer, an educational consultant and a counselor for many
individual talents of the students that passes through every student that passes through our gates. I proudly place before you the achievements of our students in this academic year. We began this year with the inauguration of the school and the new school block. Dr. K. Rosaiah, the Governor, His Excellency Dr. K. Rosaiah, the Governor of Tamil Nadu, placed the foundation stone, and this function was together graced by K. Devarajan, the Director of SCERT.
Stage fright very, very right. Raja sir sonaru, nervous analum parvale, they will reach somewhere sonaru. Adu very right, very well proven. I think we need to give him a very, very big round of applause for what he must have said that day. And he but look where he is today. I think Raja sir, you are really a star. Thank you for being being here with us. Okay. Now that we are going in for the children's program shortly, I want you all to encourage them. Encouragement is the key word. Savita college varumode. Nalla. Yiti, apni or male.
Thanks, the rishis have done tapasya. On the banks of the Ganga and Mahanadi, we had rishis like Yajnavalkya and Vishwamitra. In more recent times, we have Babaji, who walks in the mountains for all those who are on a spiritual quest. In the south, we have the Kaveri, which is the Ganga of the south. We have Narmada, which has countless Shivlingas, which are now buried under the waters of the dams. I wish to talk to you of my experience in Himachal, the land where the gods are still alive.